I don't know how to do this. Hey, kindergarten. Sorry. I'm just really frustrated right now in math because Mr. Wooden gave me these numbers to compare. He gave me down and around with a big fat belly, jump to the top and fly. That's the number 5. He gave me a 5, and he gave me a 3. Around the tree, that's the number 3. He said, Miss Barge, which number is greater? Which number is less? And I'm just sitting here, boys and girls. I don't know because I don't have a picture. I've been using pictures and matching them up, and there's nothing here, so I don't know what to tell Mr. Wooden. Hey, play the math video. Did you hear that? Play the math video. Play the, okay, let me play the math video. Maybe Mr. Stickman can help me and help you learn today how to compare numerals. When we don't have a picture, we don't have anything. How am I supposed to get the answer to Mr. Wooden? Let's find out. Let's find out. All right, mathematicians, maybe this will help me out, so I'm not pulling my hair out, not knowing the answer.
Hello, I'm happy to see you again. We've been comparing numbers, like 5 and 3, by matching and counting.
Those are the same numbers Mr. Wooden gave me, boys and girls. I think this video is gonna help. Okay, let's see.
Groups of objects. But did you know that a drawing can help compare numbers? We can use these to make a drawing of...
Oh, what's that math tool, boys and girls? Let me hear you say it. I heard you, Bella. I heard you, Riley. You said it's a 5 frame. You're right. Maybe I need a 5 frame today to help me. And then it said something about a drawing. Maybe I have to draw something. I don't know. Let's keep listening.
Of each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This drawing shows 5. 1, 2, 3. This drawing shows 3.
Boys and girls, that's not even a drawing. I don't know why the stick man is saying drawing. That's using my math chips. They just built the number 5 with math chips and the number 3 with math chips. Okay? I think I'm starting to figure this out. Today in math, you can build a set using some sort of math tool to model the numbers, and then you can match them up and compare and see where are the buddies, which one has extra, which one's more, which one's less. Let's keep watching.
The drawings make it easy to see that 5 is greater than 3. Now let's compare 2 and 4.
Ooh, new numbers.
1, 2.
1, 2.
This drawing shows 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so I can match that red to that yellow right there. And I can match that red to that yellow right there. Oh, these 2 are extra. They don't have any buddies, boys and girls. I would circle the 4 in my book today. 4 is greater because it has extras that have no buddies. And 2 is going to be less because there are no extras. 2 is less, 2 is smaller, 4 is greater. And I used the math chips to build the numbers to prove it. I can do this. I think I know what to do.
This drawing shows 4. See that? 2 is less than 4.
Okay.
Drawing can be helpful when comparing groups of objects. Try it for yourself. And remember to show your work to the teacher.
Okay. All right. I think I can do this. All right. Let me try this now. So I'm going to use a math tool. That could be my math chips. It could be Play-Doh. It could be your Matchbox cars. It could be pennies. It could be your fingers. Okay. So I have to build a set of 5. All right. So I'll start with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't have a 5 frame here. You can use your 5 frame at home, or you can build it in a straight line. Just make sure you're a good mathematician, boys and girls. Make sure you always go back and check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 chips to match the number 5. And if you don't know what this number is, trace it and say the poem. Down and around with a big fat belly, jump to the top and fly, or check your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is right there, 5 is right there. All right, I built 5. I'm not done yet. Now I need to build this number so I can call Mr. Wooden and tell him my answer. I'm going to use yellow down here just to switch it up so you have your white ones at home. Around the tree, around the tree. That's a number 3. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. I checked my work. Now I can look at this, boys and girls, and I can match them up. I can just match them with my finger, like this, like this, like this, and then that's extra. Or I can actually use my marker since I'm on my dry erase board. Just don't color on your math chips. Buddy it up, buddy it up, buddy it up. Extra, extra. These ones do not have buddies. If there's extra, that means greater, like that grizzly bear, like that alligator mouth. I would circle the number 5 because 5 is the numeral or the number that's greater. You don't need to circle your whole set because in your book, you're only going to have the numerals today. 5 is greater. And that would mean that this other set down here, like Mr. Bennett said, if this one's greater, last week, Mr. Bennett said, well, what's this one? Can't just leave it out there. This one is less. It's less, boys and girls, because it's a smaller group of objects. That means 3 is the smaller, less numeral. Boys and girls, I hope that you, and I will put an X. I don't want to color on my magnet, so let me write the number 3. In your math books today, in your work, you would X the number that's less. If they're equal, be careful. You might get numerals that are equal. Be careful with that, okay? Have fun today, boys and girls. You are learning how to compare numerals by building and making sets using objects. And you're going to need your Play-Doh. Have your Play-Doh handy when you meet your teacher live. Have fun, boys and girls. Work hard. Love you.